Is this mechanism fit for quality? You typically see this mechanism in many applications, an example for air vents in cars. Let's find out. Let's start with a little bit more simple version. Analyzing the mechanism in the RD8 suite. In 2D mode, the mobility of the system is calculated. No system overconstraints. All good. All green. Reflecting upon the specification needed, we see that we need to specify the pins and the holes. 4 pin diameter dimensions and 4 hole diameter dimensions. 8 in total, all local dimensions. Let's add another member, but with a slotted hole. Again, analyzing the mechanism in the RD8 suite. In 2D mode, the mobility of the system is calculated. No system overconstraints. All good. All green. Thus, reflecting on the requirements for the system, we add 4 local dimensions in this case. A pin, a hole, a pin, and a slot width, resulting in 12 local dimensions in total. What happens if we analyze the mechanism without a slotted hole? Analyzing the mechanism in 2D mode shows a system overconstraint, indicated by a red label in the kinematics table. If we deep dive, the system shows the exact critical features, root cause for this overconstraint, illustrated by red surface geometry in the 3D viewer. The effect of a system overconstraint is 7 additional global dimensions, a plus 50% increase of system requirements. That means that we need to control all interrelated dimensions. If just one of the dimensions is off, the mechanism will not move freely. In fact, in worst case, the mechanism will not move at all. It will be a structure. It looks like a bike frame or an element for a bridge. And this is just with a single overconstraint. In average, we see plus 10 system overconstraints in an assembly with more than 15 moving bodies. Mitigating these, an example by a slotted hole, results in tremendous complexity reduction and less dimensions to keep in control, resulting in downstream effects in 2D drawing creation, model-based definition, quality control, tolerance specifications, and the list goes on.
Do you know the quality of your designs? We do.